Hey there guys, it's George from George's PC and Game Tech Talk here. Got a guy under the name of Taylor H54321 who's just sent me a message saying, "Hey George, I'm bored of looking at Windows XP. Do you know of any great ways that I can make it look any better?" Well, lucky enough I actually do. What you want to do is you just want to go on to your Google and type in standerd, STARDOCK, as all one word, okay? Now these guys are absolutely brilliant for if you want to, as you say, customize the way you want your start bar, the way, just the whole thing really, or the way it looks. You can even customize it how the colors are as well. So once you've done that, click your enter, and you want to click on the top one here, standerd.com, your edge in software. Click on that. Now on here is quite a lot of things. Obviously they've got advertisements of games and stuff. You don't really need to go anything on that. What you want to do is you want to click on downloads at the top, okay, and here is all the programs that they do, and it obviously tells you what to do. Now for making your Windows things look different, you want to either download Desktop X, which I'll read it to you. Easily design your own desktop and use desktop themes created by others to maximize your productivity and computing experience. That's one of them. One what I do abide by is window blinds, okay? What that is a Windows utility that enables users to personalize nearly every aspect of Windows graphical user interface, part of Object Desktop. And now that, as I said before, it will literally change everything. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on window blinds, and here we go. And as you can see straight away there on the on these parts here, look, you can create cool different things obviously on there. Like, look at the different things what you've got there. So you can click on here, see it in action, which will show you lots of videos on every single version of Windows 7, Windows XP and Windows Vista. Quite a lot of different ways. Most of the videos are in Windows 7, but they will still work in the same way on XP or Vista, whichever one you've got. Now I'm going to go on the screenshots page just to give you an example on how it looks. So obviously I've got Windows 7, so for example here is a custom screen of what you can download. As you can see, my internet's not that good, so you'll have to give me just a sec. As you can see, as it's loading already, look at the customization. Obviously that's a Christmassy theme, all the kind of same font and everything like that, but as you can see, like, the start bar has changed, the tabs at the bottom, and just the way it looks pretty cool, to be honest. I really like that, to be honest, the way that it's designed and everything. And there's not just that one, there's God knows how many different ones you can do. Like, let's go back to that page. As you can see, I've clicked on downloads, window blinds, and obviously you've got a download here. That's where you would download it. You can download the demo version, which supports, there you go, supports Windows 7, Vista and XP. There you go. Then obviously you've got it will apply colour to skins, skin window, start bar, explorer, add animation to your start panel, skin different programs with different skins, all sorts of stuff. Now you can get the demo version, which is enough, to be honest, which is free. You just download it right there. You can get the advanced one. The only difference to that is you can apply textures to Windows blind skins, whatever that is. You can buy that for $19.95, or you can get Object Desktop. Now it doesn't just come with Windows blinds. You'll get Skin Studio, which means you can make your own skin that you want to. Boot Skin Pro. Now what Boot Skin Pro is, you know when your computer starts up and it will say like Windows XP, and it'll, you know, you can customize the boot up logo, so you don't have to have it coming up as Windows XP. You can have your name or a certain picture that you've drawn yourself, whatever. Deskscapes, not too sure what that is. No problem, you can always find out yourself on this website. Got lots of information on. You have another one called Icon Packer. Now what that means, or icon packager, sorry. All that is, you probably know what it is. It changes your icons. I don't really recommend doing that because quite a lot of people rely on how the icons look. But that's entirely your choice. If you want to do that, that's fine. And then you have got one called a theme manager. I presume that's one where you've all the themes you've downloaded and everything like that. It'll just come as a manager, and you just basically click one and then bang, it just loads it up. Like you would do normally on Windows XP, you change your theme on the control panel. That's fine. You've got Desktop X as well, which I talked about earlier. That's another Windows blinds, as you would say. I'm not too sure if it is better or not, but I will abide by window blinds, okay, because I think that's the best one, to be honest. So obviously download the free one when you get to that point. Once you've done that, it will come with a couple of preloaded ones. I think there's one quite unique, an Apple Mac skin. Not the best one I've seen because it is a free one, but it does make it look like an old school Mac, which is pretty cool. Obviously you can click on more skins at the top here, and when my internet loads, I'll let you know. Right, sorry about that, guys. It took about 2 minutes for it to load. We're back again. As you can see straight away, there is lots of different things here. Now, here are all the skins. Look at all the different skins that you can have. Now, I'm going to zoom in here. So you've got absolutely tons. I mean, 84 pages of skins. Some you have to pay for. Well, they will be stated there, you know, price $4. Most of them are free. Now a cool thing is as well is, as you can see, my cursor right here spinning around, bit boring. Okay, you can go on, you know, just to optimize your computer to make it look cool and unique. Go on Cursor FX. It will be along the left hand, well, right hand side, sorry, on this part. So click on there. Excuse me. And that's obviously another program to change your cursor. So there you go. Look at all the cursor things that you can have. Some are actually animated and they are pretty cool. I can remember having an Alienware one on my old laptop. Just downloaded it, as what you guys are probably going to do after you've done this. And all I can say is just follow the on-guide steps, and it's pretty easy to go through. So there you go, guys. You know how to get custom themes. So all I can say is thanks for watching. Now you know how to do your custom themes. Thanks very much. See you later. Bye.